Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make ringtones for free for your iOS devices. So now I'm running on my Mac, and you can see that this is the macOS Big Sur version 11.2.1. So in order to make ringtone for your iOS, what you're gonna do first is to launch the music app. This is the built-in app on your macOS, and then go to the song, and as you can see, have many songs available on the list. And then what you're gonna do next is to listen to the song or your favorite one that you want to make a ringtone. So if I click listen, for example, this is the one that I want to make a ringtone. So what I'm gonna do next is to look at the timeline of this song, where I want the ringtone to start and to finish. It's good to make it like 30-second ringtone because it works perfectly on your phone. So I kind of listen to where I want it to start. Okay, so I choose from 0 to 15. So what I'm gonna do next is to right click on the song and choose get info, and then move on to options, and over here start. So 0 15 stop, of course 30 second, 0 45, right? It's 30 second. Okay, so make sure that the start here is ticked and the stop as well, so tick. Okay, next is to press OK, and then don't select add a song yet, select the same song, and then what you're gonna do is to click on file, convert, and choose create AAC version. Click on that, and as you can see now I've got two of them, the intro right here besides intro right here, but the difference here is the time. You can see that this is 2 minutes 54 seconds, but this one is only 30 seconds, the one I have just created. So what you're gonna do next is right click, show in Finder. Okay, so show in Finder is here, so this is the file, it's .m4a. Okay, what you're gonna do next is go back to the music app, right click on it, and delete from the library. Delete song, but keep file, not move to trash. Okay, keep file. So what it means here is you try to delete it from this list. Okay, so keep the file so that the file on this location is still there. Okay, so keep file, so it's gone from the list here. This is the original one with 2:54 seconds. Okay, now that's it. The next step is to copy this music onto your iPhone. Okay, so now let me connect my iPhone to the computer. As you can see, now my phone is connected, and let me check the settings on my iPhone. So let's go to the settings, general, and about. So as you can see, this is my iPhone 6s running on the iOS 14.4, which is the latest version, right? Next is just want you to see what ringtone that I already have on this smartphone. So on sound, scroll down, you see sounds and vibration patterns opening. So For the Love of Stay Loose. So far I have got only one new edit from my PC, okay, onto this list. You can actually close the music app here because we don't use it anymore. It's not important. What we're gonna do is to launch the Finder. Okay, the Finder is here. Sorry. So I'm gonna press Command and iPhone so that it just open this one with a new tab. Okay, so you can see I have got two different tabs now. Okay, next what you have to make sure is on the this section, make sure that manually manage music or movies and TV shows is ticked. So make sure that you tick this option. So if this option is not ticked, all you need to do is to make sure you ticked. And when you tick, you will be asked to save. So my recommendation from here is make sure you back up your iPhone, okay? In case something missing, okay, after you confirm. So just back up and then make sure this one is ticked. Next, what you need to do is to drag, or not yet drag, but to change the M4A. So rename it and change the extension. So delete A and add R. Press return or enter and then use .m4r. So just choose this one. Okay, now the file is changed from M4A to M4R. All you need to do next is to drag it and drop it. Okay, it's done. Now let's check on my smartphone to see if the ringtone is available there. So go to the settings. Okay, so this is the ringtone. You've got two different now. You see, for love and intro right here besides you. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. For your information, you can make as many ringtones as you want. Just follow my tutorials. Like the video if you like it, if you learned something from this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks.